So there were the startups of the 2021 Concord and the 2004 Lennox Merit heat pumps in my vacation house. This one has an interlink fan motor and a Copeland scroll compressor. This one is a 3-ton from 2021, and it is a 15-SEER heat pump. And this one is really quiet. You can hardly hear this thing run over the Merit right there. And that line is extremely cold and sweaty. And that is slightly higher than outdoor temperature, I'd say. It's just shy of 100 out right now. And then here's the Merit. This one's a 12-SEER heat pump from 2004, and it is a 4-ton. And this one has a Copeland scroll as well, although I'm not sure what type of fan motor it has. Whatever it is, it's a 1075 RPM 4-blade, and it moves a lot of air, and that is pretty warm air coming out of it too. Suction line is cold, not really as cold as the Concord though, and it's not really sweating either, and liquid line is around outdoor temperature as well, so. Anyways, on to the shutdowns now.